Hello, dear Dinka learners. I welcome you back. Today we are going to learn a mind-blowing topic in Dinka. A mind-blowing topic in Dinka. The topic is asking questions in Dinka language. Asking questions in Dinka language. So this is a mind-blowing topic that we are going to learn, and watch the video to the end so that you know how to ask questions in Dinka language. Let us not waste time. Let us begin. Number one. What? What in Dinka mean ngo or ngodie ngo or ngodie. For example, someone said a word that you did not hear well, then you say ngo chalwel da. What did you say? So ngo chalwel ngodie. So is asking in Dinka language what, ngodie or ngo. The other question is why. In Dinka mean yengo, or you can say ngo, but it's always right to say yengo. For example, why do you come? In Dinka, yengo being, why do you come? The other question is who. In Dinka, you say ngadie or nga. You can say nga or ngadie, or ngadie. So it's who. The other question is whom. Whom mean tane ngadie or tane nga or tane ngadia. So it's the same. The other question is where. Tanen or tano. The same. Tanen or tano. Where do you come from? In Botanen or in Botano. Where do you come from? In Botanen or in Botano. The other question is when. When in Dinka you say nen or you say yenen. For example, when did you come? Yenen being. Or you can say ibonen or yenen being. Yenen being is you use it to begin the question, to begin your sentence, and nen you use it to end your sentence. For example, when did you come? When did you come mean you have to begin like this. Yenen being. Or you can say Ibonen. You see, nen is at the end of the sentence. So that how it is the same question. When, nen, or yenen. The other question is which. Which is like you are choosing between the two things or three things, something. Yes, like that. So in Dinka, kenen or keno. Kenen or keno. Between cows and goats, what do you love? Yekenen kamweng ku tok inyar. Ikno kamweng katok inyar or yekenen kamweng kutok yeniar. So the question is kenen, keno, kenen, keno. You see the question, kenen, keno. The other question is how, like how are you? Ye kada, ye kada, kada, ye kada loyerot. How did it happen? How did it happen? Ye kada loyerot. Or you say loyerot kada. You see kada at the end of the sentence. Ye kada loyerot from the beginning. So that's how you say how in Dinka. So the term word we have to learn today is loss. The loss, to get lost or loss in Dinka, it is mar. 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 It's spelling ma, a, ra. Mar. Ma, ara. Mar. Mar means to lose. What are you doing? That is the question. What are you doing? In Dinka, ngoloy, 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 ngoloy yakole. What are you doing today? Ngoloy nyak. What are you doing tomorrow? So, or you can say yengoloy nyak. Ngoloy nyak or yengoloy nyak. Another question is, who is the son of God? Who is the son of God? The son of God, in Dinka language you say yenga yen won nialich. Yenga yen won nialich. Yenga yen won nialich. Nialich mean God. When nialich the son of God. When nialich son of God. Yenga yen won nialich, who is the son of God? The question is why you lost. Why you get lost? Maybe you say you are lost. The person asks you why you lost. Yengo shin mar. Yengo shin mar. Or yengo marine. Yengo marine. Yengo marine. Yengo shin mar. All are correct. So we say mar before is lost. Where did you get lost? So the person want to know where exactly you get lost. Where did you get lost? You know where always is talking about, asking about places, okay, or location. Where did you get lost exactly? So in Dinka, Yimar Tano or Yimar Tanen, Yimar Tano, Yimar Tanen, Yimar Tano, Yimar Tano. Imartanen, where did you get lost? That is the question. Our other last question is, when did you run? When did you run? In Dinka, yinen get yin, yinen get yin. Or you can turn it the other way around so that nen can be at the end of the sentences will be like yikat nen, yikat nen, yikat nen. Or the right question is yenen cat in, yenen cat in, cat. This one is form of cat, run. Yin is you. Yenen cat in, when did you run? Our last word is I am lost. I am lost. So in Dinka, when you say I'm lost, in Dinka you say and chamar, and chamar, and mean I am, chamar mean lost, and chamar, I am lost, and chamar, I am lost, and chamar, I am lost. That is very simple for you guys to know. I am lost in Dinka and chamar, because we know mar before is lost. Okay, so this is how it is, guys. Let me make a quick recap again. What, ngodye, ngo, why, yengo, wu, ngadye, or nga, wum, tani nga, tani ngadye, Taninga or taningadi, where, tanen or tano, when, nen or yenen, which, kinen or kino, how, yekada or kada, los, mar. What are you doing? Ngoloi, ngoloi or yengoloi, who is the son of God. Yenga yen wan nialich, yenga yen wan nialich. Why you lost? Yengo shin mar, yengo marine, yengo shin mar, yengo marines. Where did you get lost? Yimar tano, yimar tanen, yimar tano or yimar tanen. When did you run? Yenen ket yin, yenen ket yin. I am lost. And chimar, I am lost. William Majak. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get our videos every Friday and weekend short videos also. Nyali Kewek Kuyania. So this is the end of our video. Okay, if you are new in this channel, what we do in this channel, we learn Dinka language. So we know Dinka language is one of the major language, one of the major local language that is widely spoken in South Sudan, especially by Dinka tribe, plus the neighboring and the other tribes in South Sudan. So it's not Dinka alone who speak this language. This language is spoken by many or majority of South Sudanese. So it's good time for you to learn it here in YouTube for free, so that when you go to South Sudan, you can speak with the local community easily. Thank you. I'm William Majak. Bye.